What did you cook, love?
Why? You don't like it?
What did you cook?
It's a whole chicken with spices in it.
A whole
A
chicken.
whole chicken.
How you cook it?
It's in the pressure cooker.
What, soup?
No, I'm gonna pull it out and shred it, and then I'll make enchiladas.
Enchilada?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
what's that then?
I forgot the green chilies, but it'll be alright.
Green chili?
Yeah.
You have chili there.
Yeah.
The red one.
You're
Or
insane.
jalapeno. Jalapenos there.
Yeah.
And there's a orange chili there too.
Oh yeah, the habaneros. You
Mm-hmm.
wanna die?
Why, it's too spicy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I hate throwing this pepper grinder.
A day in my life as a DepEd teacher nga nakaabot sa Amerika as a housewife. For today's video guys, Disney princess ta karon. O nga atong bana kay Day of Mania. Day of sana nato. Ito pasibuot diha. Day of Mania siya magluto karon sa among panihapon. So nagpahumok naman siya diha guys sa kanang tibuok manok. Kay iya kuno ng kunis-kunison kay himuon niya og chicken enchiladas. So, nakaluto na akong bana guys. Og inyong auntie, banat na diha og kaon guys. Kay lami kaayo. Pareha ka lami sa akong bana. Og sa dihang, istoryahan lang na guys. Mahurot na dayon na. Bitaw, naghimo akong bana guys. Sa daghan kaayo guys. Kay kung gutomon daw ko, i-snack. Ibutang lang namo sa fridge dayon microwave oven lang dayon pag init aron nanak dayon tay snack diha guys. That's all. Thank you for